Hey, what's up, Team DMS? I'm going to be doing a full silk press tutorial today. I'm starting off spraying her hair with some blow dry spray by Kenra. I do have a complete and full list of everything that I will be using in my Amazon store, and it's listed under Silk Press Essentials. This blow dryer comb attachment is the bomb. I love it because it actually stays on the hair, so I don't have to worry about, some of the attachments just kind of come off when you're trying to blow dry. So this one stays on. It has a silicone base, and it kind of like suctions on there, but it's bomb. Now, normally I would have allowed the hair to dry a little bit more before I started pressing it out, but sis just popped up on me at the last minute, and it was late, so I was like, girl, we gonna just blow dry this hair the best way I can. So that's what we are currently doing. Blow dry her hair because I was trying to get up out of there. This is actually her first time getting a silk press. This is one of my mentees, so y'all will see her. Y'all have seen her before, and y'all will see her a lot more often because she is a up and coming hairstylist. And I just hope that she keeps up with her silk press and that hair just continue to grow and flourish. She wears a lot of braids, so her hair is not in the best condition, but we can get it there. So right now I'm using Main Life's collection Main Glaze. Main Glaze is a heat protectant as well as it gives the hair some added shine. And I like to put that on the hair before I start to put any, flat irons or pressing combs or anything like that. So now I'm just taking the pressing comb. This one is actually not my favorite. I actually just bought an Andy one, and I will have that in the Amazon list as well. That one is a lot better, but y'all know it's nothing like using a stove. My flat iron of choice is always going to be my Paul Mitchell Neuro Smooth. I have been using this flat iron, no lie, y'all. Not this one because it don't, of course it ain't last that long, but I've I've purchased like 6 or 7 of these over the last 10 years. Like, I just haven't found one that's like it. I love the Paul Mitchell Newer Smooth. Now you will see her hair has some smoke, and that is from the product that I put in her hair, the heat protectant, and then also by using the blow dry spray, and I used the Kenra's blow dry cream on her. It's Florida, it's hot, and like I say, this is her very first silk press, so just making sure that her hair lasts a little longer than it probably would have without putting anything on it. And going back and pressing out those roots again. Very much important to press those roots out before you flat iron. It makes a world of a difference. Trust me and believe. So her hair is pressed out. So now we're just gonna get her parted off and everything. And she's 15, so give her something a little razzle dazzle. And that's me fussing at her about those edges, all the edge control and stuff. It's okay, you know, to use it, but not every single day. Like, we don't need that every single day on our hair. Currently just giving her a nice trim. Like I said, she hasn't had a silk press previously, so she definitely needed a really, really, really good trim. And ladies, stop being afraid to cut those ends. The healthiest hair. Y'all send us these pictures with these silk press, and the women hair is so nice, soft, and pliable, and just looks really good. But they also have their hair trimmed, and y'all don't be want to trim them ends. And if it needs a haircut, just get a haircut. It'll grow back. I'm using the Kenra dry oil spray, and that's just like saturating her hair really good with that, because that is the spray that I like to use when I'm finishing. It just leaves the hair silky. It tames those flyaways and things of that nature. Okay, and so for my finishing, I'm using EAP heats. This is a 1-inch flat iron. I do like to finish with ceramic and press with titanium. As titanium, I feel like it gets the hair straighter, and the ceramic just leaves the hair with a nice luster. And I'm going in with this, I don't know how to pronounce, edge control. I will have that in the list as well under Silk Press Essentials. Just check the description box or check my Amazon storefront. Now I have all those things listed for you. And now I'm just finishing her hair up with the Nairobi Gleam. And this is the finished look. She absolutely loved it. I think she looks so cute with her silk press. You guys, if you create your own silk press or do it on yourself or a client, be sure to tag me. Let me know how these techniques work. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.